G'day! In today's video I've got a HP Envy X360 model number 15-EE1027AU, and this one needs a battery replacement. So I've got these tabs along here. Wouldn't normally have rubber feet on them, but in this instance it's just got double-sided tape. So in this instance I can just take that off, leave it off and forget about it. Same with along the front here, as it's not really stopping it from scratching it, being it's below the level of the chassis. So if I take this off, like so. And if I proceed to undo these screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to need a T4 screwdriver, I think it is. So this one right at the very front here. T4, that matches up. That unscrews just fine. Go. I wonder how well this will pop up as one piece. A metal pry tool just to start it, like that. And if I grab a plastic pry tool, I'll just put in the gap, work my way around. There we go. And I have one battery right at the front here that I want to take out. Also Phillips head screws. So if I undo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Almost more screws holding the bottom cover in than the battery, or holding the battery in than the bottom cover. So be careful of this speaker cable along the front here. That will need to come off first. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then I should be able to put a nail on either side of this and pull it backwards like that. With that battery disconnected, it makes it a lot easier to disconnect this cable. That's one tip right there. This should be able to slide across, line up, push in. Should be able to clip in like so. Battery should be able to sit there and feed that cable, speaker cable, into the grooves that are here. Go. That should keep it happy. Now those 6 screws need to go back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not sure what that's from. Should be an aerial somewhere. 6. All screws now in. Battery is connected. Now it's a matter of putting the bottom cover back on. Now I'll put this back on. Just loosely lining it up and pushing around. Clicks it into position. Go. I'll put the T4 screw back in the front down here. Go back to here. Tighten that up. Next up, Phillips head screws, which I'm pretty sure all of these are the same length. So there's really not much extra that really needs to be done here, apart from just put them in, tighten them up. Go. 2. And we've got the two at the front here. Now if you do still have your feet, the rubber that went on the bottom here, once you put those screws in, you can reattach it. Normally I push it all the way into the corner and then just slowly push it down and work my way to the other side. That should give me enough room. Overall, I hope that helps with the battery replacement, and I'll see you later. Bye.